the message that we get is that based on our breast appearance, we're either more desirable or not. Our personal value is reflected on their appearance. Our sexual value is reflected on their appearance. Our desirability sexually is reflected on their appearance. And from that, a sense of worthiness. I'm worthy of a partner. I'm worthy of sex. I'm worthy of wearing this shirt. I'm worthy of blah, 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 blah. The list goes on because of their appearance. There's a message that your breasts are something to be ashamed of. Just think about breastfeeding. Our breasts are worshipped. They're tabooed. They're exploited. They're hypersexualized. It's like so many mixed messages. No wonder we're all so disconnected from the power of our breasts. Think about the breast as this amazing part of our ecosystem as a human being. Think about the breast as yours. Your breasts are for your pleasure, your sexuality, your love. They're part of your internal power system. You get to choose how you move into the world with them, how they are a representation of your authentic truth, because they're your part of your power, your confidence, your love, who you are. What if the definition that we gave them was like, yes, I get to be breast friends forever with my breasts. No pun intended, just kidding, it was intended. But breast friends forever is a thing. I'm breast friends forever with my breasts. And you can be too. You are right now as you embark on this journey.